smells so
It smells
boozy.
really good. We're gonna be a little glazed.
We're gonna be coconuts
There we
after
go.
this. Like
Okay.
legit. Not good. Hey guys, I'm Joe, and this is The Mashup, the show where me and a celebrity guest do a recipe remix. My guest today is the star of Pitch Perfect, The Help. You know her from Mad Men and True Blood. Anna Camp, come on out.
Hi. What's up?
What's going on? First of all, your sweater is the cutest thing. Give us a spin. Give us a fashion spin.
Thank you. This
is like legit. Like this says you're ready to drink. With me.
Yes, this is my Captain Morgan custom sweater, and I am ready to drink.
We're gonna do it today. We're gonna mash up two of our favorite foods and turn it into something hopefully delicious. I can't make any promises.
Okay,
We're
great.
gonna see how it goes.
I have faith in you
Great.
and everybody here that we'll make something delicious.
I have faith that we are gonna do our best. But first we have to bring out our trademark gigantic platter of mashed potatoes. And so in here are two of our favorite foods, I would say, at Delish.
Okay.
And we're gonna see if you can find them.
I wonder if they're hot or cold.
No.
Right now. Okay, oh my God, this is good. I like this already.
All right, tell the audience what it
It
is.
is pina colada.
Yeah, we got it.
One.
We got one.
Let's see the mashed potato ball.
Guide me.
Guide me.
Yeah,
guide
here it
me,
is.
Guide me. Oh my
Slop
gosh,
it off.
something I really love.
Really?
Banana bread.
Yeah! It's gonna be amazing. We're making boozy banana bread. It's gonna be awesome.
Fall in line, Bellas.
I wanna know what you're like in the kitchen. Do you have a favorite recipe?
I make a really good bread pudding.
Really?
To be honest, yes. Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about that.
As the sugar,
Perfect.
this is the sugar.
Yeah, you got it.
Are we doing all of it?
Yeah, we're doing it all.
Why not?
Just dump.
Speaking of sugar, I use Krispy Kreme donuts in my bread pudding. So it's really, really good. Really good.
That's a game changer.
Yeah, it's
you
healthy.
seriously.
It's really
Yeah.
healthy. So this is coconut.
Coconut, do it,
Love,
do it.
love,
I mean,
love,
we need to get all the
beautiful.
flavors of the pina colada in here. We got coconut, we got banana. But I also want to talk to you about your singing because you sing like an angel.
You're so sweet, Joe. Thank you so
She really
much.
does.
Is enough enough? I saw the sign.
Oh, is it me or do we just take a left turn into Snoozeville?
Do you sing in the shower?
Always.
What's your jam? What's your shower jam?
It's usually a song that's made up. Something about like my dog or what
my
I'm
God,
doing,
wait,
or
sing
if
us-
I'm like out of shampoo or something.
Wait, sing us a something. You
Oh my
have
God,
to.
I get
You
so
have to do it.
embarrassed.
I'm pouring some in. I'm just
Okay,
doing
go
it.
for it, go
I'm
for
doing
it.
it. You can't ever
We
have.
got everything in there.
Yeah,
Great.
we did it. We
That's
did it.
not
And this.
enough.
Okay,
Wow. Okay, perfect.
my girl.
Boozy
my girl.
banana bread.
Boozy. I mean, why? If you're not gonna feel it, what's the point? We're just gonna put the banana bread, and it smells like drunkenness.
Delicious.
It smells like delicious buzz. All right, I'm putting this in the oven.
And in due time, all will be revealed to you.
We're gonna make a boozy glaze.
Great.
We should, because every banana bread needs more booze.
More booze.
So we're gonna do coconut. What do you think of coconut rum
Love,
glaze?
love,
Obsessed,
love.
obsessed.
Coconut rum.
All right, so you put a little bit of coconut in there.
Okay,
I'm gonna
wonderful.
get some powdered sugar.
Great.
All right,
Okay,
you do
great.
it. No, you,
Okay,
no, you do it.
perfect.
You do it.
I can't wait.
Yeah! This is about to make a whole mess. Oh my God.
God,
Oh
that's
my
enough.
God. Wait, let's see.
You want me to help with whisk? Because it's my fault. I added
You
so much
totally
things.
did. I'm getting the banana bread.
Beautiful.
There it is, guys. Can we get a little something?
good.
I'm a tiny bit scared of the glaze, but let's
I'm
just
a little
see.
scared of the glaze too because I really went for it, but I think it's okay.
No, I think it's going to be totally
Yeah,
fine.
we'll
Let's
just
do
use
it.
sparingly.
Let's ju-
That's all.
No, yeah, and by
You
sparingly,
get to, yeah, run over the sides. Hey,
You guys, it's so good.
Look, it's like, it's like melting, pouring off of the side.
Delish. We need to wring this out into a dish. I'm so excited. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God. Oh my
To the
God.
holiday season.
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
It's really boozy.
Wow. That's good.
It's so good, but it's like,
It's my glaze. My
No,
glaze is
I
over the top. Not gonna
because
lie.
after the glaze, you don't feel anything.
No, my lips are tingling.
It
and
just
I like
goes
it.
right, it goes down smooth. I think we just invented something amazing.
I
Like
think so.
bougie banana bread, pina colada banana bread
Right.
with Anna Camp. I mean, I feel
I
like
mean,
this
we
is like
use
game-changing.
pretty much.
Like, I
And it opened up my eyes. I saw the
mean, you've been an absolute joy.
Thank you
You've
so
been such a
much.
good cook, and thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming and come back anytime.
I
Like
would love
us,
to.
follow us. Check this one out in all of her amazing, amazing movies.
Aw,
And thank
thanks.
you. Come back. Bye.
Sorry about my glaze.
No, she did it.